Respected parents and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to teach you the exercise of the unit number 3 at the farm. We will solve each and everything of this exercise. Yesterday we have completed the translation of the unit number 3 at the farm. The link of this video is available in descriptions. Please press the bell icon to receive more educational videos. Let's have a go and solve our exercise.
Exercises. Comprehension. Answer जवाब दें the following questions. इस दरअसल questions के आप जवाब दीजिए. Exercises comprehension. Answer the following questions. Where कहाँ? Are the children? Where are the children? बच्चे कहाँ पे हैं? The question is they are on a farm. They are on a farm. वो फार्म पर हैं. B. Who कौन is playing with the kitten. कौन खेल रहा है with the kitten. बिल्ली के बच्चे के साथ कौन खेल रहा है? Maryam is playing with the kitten. Maryam is playing with the kitten. मरियम खेल रही है. What is the dog doing? What क्या is है. Dog मतलब कुत्ता. Doing dog क्या कर रहा है? The dog is barking at the cat. The dog is barking at the cat. जो कुत्ता है वो बिल्ली पे भौंक रहा है. Why are the chickens looking for? Looking for बेटा idiom है. Looking for ये idiom है, ये आप याद रखिएगा. इसका मतलब होता है तलाश करना. Why are क्यों the chickens looking for worms? वो जो मुर्गी के बच्चे हैं वो कीड़ों मकोड़ों को क्यों तलाश कर रहे हैं? Because they are hungry. They are hungry क्योंकि वो क्या हैं? भूखे हैं. Where कहाँ? Are the lambs? वो जो भेड़ के बच्चे हैं वो कहाँ पे हैं? Where कहाँ? Are हैं कहाँ हैं? The lambs are यहाँ पे I will add s. The lambs are playing in the field. वो भेड़ के बच्चे जो हैं वो मैदान में खेल रहे हैं. What are the cow eating? What क्या are हैं? Cow eating जो गाय है वो क्या खा रही है? The cows are eating grass. जो काऊ है वो क्या खा रही है? ग्रास खा रही है. The cows are eating grass. जो काऊ है वो ग्रास खा रही है. I will make other questions and you should solve these questions, and these questions are no related to these questions. Where are the cows? The question I will make for them. What Sammy and Nida doing? What Sammy and Nida are doing? Who is riding? Who is riding? Who is riding the horse? Who is driving the tractor? Who is driving the tractor? I will make these questions for them, or you should solve these questions from the chapter. From the chapter you should get help from the chapter and you should solve the questions. Use words. इस्तेमाल कीजिए अल्फाज को from the story in the blanks. Sammy and Nida are riding the horse. Maryam is playing with the kitten. The dog is barking at the cat. The tractor is going fast. The farmer is driving. The farmer is driving the tractor. Working with words. Make sentences of their own using these words. Driving. The farmer is driving the tractor. Stopping. A bus is stopping at the bus stop. Walking. She went for a walk. अब ये भी कहते हैं she went for a walk with him this morning. Flying. The children are flying kites. बच्चे जो हैं वो पतंगे उड़ा रहे हैं. Our next page is spelling. Add ing to the following action words. Hit, hitting. Put, putting. Fit, fitting. Pat, patting. Rub, rubbing. Dip, dipping. Cut, cutting. Hop, hopping. Sip, sipping. Or tap, tapping. Learn about language. The word in the exercise B1 are action words. They are not for things. We call them verb. We call action words verb. Words for thing. वो अल्फाज जो चीज़ों के लिए हैं. People, rat, table, house, banana, girl. Word for actions. Sit, jump, running, sleeping, go. यानी कि बेटा आप देखें ये ऊपर वाली जो थिंग्स हैं चीज़ें हैं. टेबल कोई चीज़ है, उसके बाद हाउस, बनाना, गर्ल कोई चीज़ है, लेकिन ये काम है. सिट बैठ जाना, जंप लगाना कोई काम है, रनिंग भागना कोई काम है. तो एक्शन वर्ड काम है और ये क्या है, चीज़ें हैं. Put these words into the correct boxes. You should separate the action word and the things in the both boxes. Things: shoe, tomato, tooth, desk, boy, pencil. We have separated for you these things which is mentioned in these areas. Actions: playing, rubbing, buying, take, sing and see. Can you add two words of their own to each boxes? Words for things are called naming words or noun. Words for thing called noun, and word for action we will called verb. These are noun, we will call it noun, and these are verb. Can you add two words of their own? आपने अपनी तरफ से दो अल्फाज इसमें लिखने हैं. एक किसी चीज़ का नाम लिखने और एक किसी काम का नाम लिख सकते हो. तो आपके लिए मैंने एक चीज़ लिख दी यहाँ पे फैन और दूसरी लिख दी गोइंग. ठीक है बेटा. लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग, फास्ट एंड स्लो. वर्क इन पेयर्स. स्टूडेंट को आप जोड़ों में खड़ा करें और स्मॉल ग्रुप्स या 3-4 लड़कों का ग्रुप बना लें या लड़कियों का. टॉक अबाउट द पिक्चर. इस तस्वीर के बारे में आपने बात करनी है. गिवन बिलो, जो नीचे दी गई हैं. विच इज़ फास्ट. कौन सी चीज़ फास्ट है. विच इज़ स्लो. और कौन सी चीज़ क्या है बेटा, स्लो है. हॉर्स, हॉर्स fast or slow? No, horse is fast. Motorbike is also fast. racing car is very fast. Tortoise is very slow. Plane is very fast and baby is very slow. Horse, motorbike, racing car, plane, tortoise and baby both are mentioned in slow boxes. Fill in the crossword below with the words or vehicles. Follow the picture clue given below. First picture is train and we have completed this spelling of the train. Second is truck. We have also written this word. Car, van, bus, plane, boat, tram or auto. Train, truck, car, van, bus, plane, boat, tram or auto. We have completed the page 27. 3. My family, male or female, work in pairs or small groups. बच्चों को फिर ग्रुप्स में आप डिवाइड कर दें. Talk about the picture given below. Who are these people? कौन कौन लोग हैं? मेल को सेपरेट कर दें और फीमेल को. ग्रैंड मदर इज फीमेल, मदर इज आल्सो फीमेल, ब्रदर इज मेल, बॉय इज मेल, गर्ल फीमेल, मैन जो है मेल, फादर मेल, सिस्टर फीमेल, वुमेन फीमेल, अंकल मेल, आंट फीमेल और ग्रैंड फादर इज मेल. मेल ब्रदर, बॉय, मैन, अंकल, फादर और ग्रैंड फादर. ग्रैंड मदर, गर्ल, मदर, ग्रैंडफादर, aunt or sister. Now children, we have completed the exercises of the at the farm very beautifully. Okay students, okay, Allah Hafiz.